I'm done half bath. I'm done half bathing, guys. Good evening, good evening. Tell me one more today. Vibrations in the air. Balik mag-post unta ko balik ug baligya niya. Kuan man ay basin bang ma. Na ko'y na-delete na picture mga good. Copyright siya sa mga title. Nais kong malimutan ang iyong mga larawan, ang iyong mga pangako, ako lang. Kahit na anong mangyari, ikaw pa rin. Sige ka pangilat. Ulan baka bukid rin. My cleanser is only alcohol. I don't want to use astringent for now. I use astringent every other day. Every other day. Because if you use every day, your face is always peeling off. And it got your face got not beautiful ba by always peeling off. That's not good to your face. Right? So I use astringent every other day, not every day.